Okay, good afternoon, students. Those are present here. Good afternoon, Devajyoti, Shwati, Khushi, Devolina, Manjeet. Yes, Sania, good afternoon. Jaswinder, good afternoon. Rekha, good afternoon. Any more people to join? Okay, today we will start. Today we will complete this chapter. Okay, that is measure of central tendency, median, and mode. Indra, good afternoon. Okay, today we will complete this chapter after discussing everything. Okay, up till I want Sakti, good afternoon. I have discussed yesterday with you all the grouping method and the analysis table how to make. Okay, under what? Under this discrete series and continuous series, how to find out the mode here. Once more time today I will explain one sum. I will take one sum and I will explain to you. Those who have not understood yesterday, they can follow today's class also. Okay, now good afternoon Ritesh, Paramjeet. Okay, calculate the mode from the following data. Okay, marks are given here, which is denoted as x, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. And corresponding frequency for those x values are 5, 6, 10, 4, 7, 3. Okay, now students, these are all table they have made. What we need to do is what we have to make a first we have to make a grouping table. Okay, so here is the grouping table. First of all, marks will be denoted by x, and it is in one column. And number of frequency, number of students, which is denoted by frequency f, which is column number 1. Then what is our duty? We have to make in twos, pair of twos, and in threes. Okay, first of all in twos, when we will do what we will do, we will take two values, two frequencies, and we will add and we will take it. Okay, first of all, from column 1 we will do column 2. I will add 5 plus 6. I will write in the middle of 5 and 6 here. Then again 10 plus 4, we have to write again 7 plus 3, we have to write in the middle of 7 by and 3. So completed column number 2. Now I have to reduce one value from the up, means 5 I will eliminate. Then from 6 I will start. Third column, 6 plus 10, I will write in the middle of it. 4 plus 7, I will write in the middle of it. 3, nothing is there, there is no pair. Arga, good afternoon. Okay, 3 is there alone, we will not take. Now, I will again hide, I will eliminate the 6. 5 and 6, I will eliminate, I will delete. I will start from 10 now. 10 plus 4. But students, 10 plus 4 is already there, I have written. Okay, so there is no need. Once you get that you have already written down, you will not follow again. You will not calculate again. Means there is an end up. So in twos, matter ends. Column 1, column 2, and column 3. Now we will come for in threes. I will take three frequencies and will add and will write in middle. 5 plus 6 plus 10. One pair of threes. Then 4 plus 7 plus 3. Another group of 3. Okay, then leaving the first frequency, I will start from 6. 6 plus 10 plus 4, 1 is the value, and 7 plus 3 plus something, I don't know, it is not there, it is not getting group of 3 items, so it is 7 plus 3. Again, I will leave the second frequency also, means from 10 I will start. 10 plus 4 plus 7. Okay, it is written. Then no more is there. Again, I will hide the 10. I will eliminate 5, 6, and then from 4 I will start. 4 plus 7 plus 3. But 4 plus 7 plus 3 is already there in the column number 4. Means I have done it. So I will stop here only. Then this is my grouping table. Then what is my another step? I have to prepare analysis table. What is analysis table? I have to write the column numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in as there is. Then column, I will write the x values in the horizontal manner. Then from column 1, which number is highest? 10 number is the highest. 10 has which class interval? 20 to 30. So tick mark for column 1, 20 to 30. Then column 2, which number is highest? 14. Where the 14 has come? 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4. So what is the 10 class interval? 20 to 30. What is the 4 class interval? 30 to 40. So I'll mark both for column 2, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. So in this way, each and every value of each and every column I will take, and corresponding their class interval I will take, and I will tick mark in this way. Then I have to make the total for each and every class interval. I will see how many numbers are there and which is the highest number. 6 is the highest number. Corresponding to 6, what is the class interval? 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 is my model class, and 6 is my 6 times it has occurred. Now I have to use the mode formula under continuous series. L1 plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. Here L1 is what? From model class lower limit I will take, which is 20. F1 is what? If 10 is the highest I have taken, okay, then previous to F1 will be 10. Previous to F1, which is F0, will be 6. And after 10, which will be F2, which is 4. So you have got F2 is 4, F1 is F0 is 6, F1 is 10. Then put the values there, find out the mode. Now, sometime there are some special cases you will see in the question paper. Okay, wages it is given less than. Okay, see here wages are given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Number of workers are given 4, 10, 20, 30, 55, 79, 99, 100. Now less than when it is given, I have to convert it into class interval. How I will convert it into class interval? 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. In this manner I have to do. With this one, frequency also I have to do. First of all, it will be as it is 4, no problem. Then it is 6. How I have got 6? 10 minus 4, which is 6. Then after this 20 minus 10, which is again 10. See, in this way you have to adjust the frequency also. It is not that you are just for less than, you are just adjusting the class interval or the x value, and you're keeping the frequency as it is. No, you have to do what? You have to adjust the frequency also. Then after that, simple as that, if it will be under individual series, you know the formula. Under continuous series what to do. If it is for discrete series, if it is for your continuous series, okay, whichever it will be told in the question paper, you can able to do. But first, adjusting the class interval and the frequency is important. Okay, same way for more than also. This all some Sarah, good afternoon. Same way for more than also, you know, if it's for 0 to 4, 6, 10, you have to adjust with marks, you have to adjust number of students. Then use the formula, find it out. Okay. Now, if in the question, sometime it is given here, see, 90 to 99, 80 to 89, 70 to 79, 60 to 69, 50 to 59. Now, first thing it will strike in your mind, the upper limit of the previous one and the lower limit of the next one is not same. Okay, the lower limit of the previous one and the upper limit, they are not at all same. Is it? They are not same. Second of all, we can see it is changed from bigger to lower they have given. So you can adjust it by what? 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99. They have adjusted it. Okay. Now after this, what you have to do? You see that upper limit, lower limit of the second, they are not equal. I have told that diagonal must be equal. So what you have to do? From the lower limit you have to deduct minus 0.5, and from the upper limit you have to add 0.5. Okay, so see, it is 50 to 59. So they have deducted from 50.5, they have added 0.5 to 59. Again for the second, so deducted 0.5 from the lower limit and added 0.5 to the upper limit. And in this way, if we'll do, you can see the diagonal values or the upper limit and the next lower limit, they are all are equal. Then you can able to solve the sum. Understood? Okay. Now, sometimes questions may come for unequal class interval. Means you have seen up till now the difference between each and every class interval, it is 5 or 10 or something like that. But here you will see it is not equal, it is unequal. See, it is given 4 to 0 to 4, 4 to 10. 0 to 4 difference is how much? 4. But 4 to 10 difference is how much? 6. 10 to 15 difference is how much? 5. 15 to 20 difference is how much? 5. 20 to 30, 10 difference. 30 to 35, 5. 35 to 40, 5 difference. So these are not equal. So what you will do? You just maintain your own. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 you have maintained. Now students, 0 to 10, how many are there? How many x are lying? 0 to 4, 4 to 10 means this is 0 to 10 line. Okay, 2 plus 7. 10 to 20, how many are lying? These two column are lying, 5 plus 5. 20 to 30, how many are lying? Only 25 is lying, yes or no? This is 30 to 35, so it will not lie under 20 to 30. 20 to 30, only 25 is lying. Okay. 30 to 40, how many are lying? This 2, 5 plus 5, 10. Then continue with the sum. Understood? See, from unequal class interval, I have converted into a equal class interval. Okay? Now, coming to the graphic solution. Sometimes in the question, you have done those histogram case, okay, histogram, pie diagram, histogram for example, bar diagram, etc. If in the question it has been told here, find out the mode from the diagram. You have done the histogram. Then I have also asked you to find out the mode from this diagram. What you will do? The bar, listen carefully, the pillar which is the highest in height, take that pillar. Okay, from the two extreme end, just mark according to the pillars. See how they have done. From this corner to the head of the next pillar, they have made a line. And from this corner to the head of previous pillar, they made a line. Where these two are cutting, they make a dot and they put a perpendicular drop down to the curve, and where it is falling they just counted the squares and they have written z equals to 44. Now z equals to 44 means what? Mode is equals to 44. Then with it you can follow the sum. Last thing, when if it is being told here in the question that a sum is given to you and it is being told that find out the relation among mean, median and mode. For this, you have to follow one formula. What is the formula? Mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay. Now it has been told in a short form, it is written here, Z means mode is equals to 3m. M means median minus 2x bar, which is mean. We will come to a sum. If in an asymmetrical distribution median is 140 and mean is 80, find mode. Simple as that. Median has been told here, mean has been told here. Easily find out the mode by calculating. Okay. Now we will come to the next sum. Given that mode of an asymmetrical distribution is 370, if median is 300, find mean. Means here mode is given, median is given. You have to find out the mean. So mean is the unknown to you. Easily you can find it out because mode and median is given to you. Only unknown is mean. Find it out by cross multiply now. Now we will come to the last portion of this chapter, merits and demerits of mode. Okay. Merits of mode. First one, simple. Yes, it is complicated. I can understand. By realistic, you can tell that, sir, it is very much complicated. Various formulas are there. It is very much difficult, sir, to follow this, etc. Many things you may tell to me. But as of all, it is simple. You can able to understand by observing only. In mean or in median, it cannot be, sums cannot be done by observing, but for mode, inspection or observation method is there. Means what? By looking into the sum, by looking into the data, you can able to follow. You can able to at least tell by assumption that what is the mode. Not affected by very small values. Not affected by very small values. Mode does not require the use of extremely small values, hence is not affected by very small values of the series. Mode is meant for what? Higher values, highest values. It is not made of smaller values. Okay, so there is no need of smaller values. I know that smaller values will not affect anything. Graphic representation, yes. Mode can also be got from graphic. I have shown you just now. From histogram, you can able to bring out the mode. Representative in nature, you can able to represent in time series, etc. in many things. Useful in open-end classes intervals. Yes, if it is open-end class also, you can able to use, you can able to find out the mode from there by adjusting the data exact value. You get exact value for mode. Highest frequency, exact value for mode. Okay, there are some demerits of mode also. What is demerits? Not rigidly defined. It is uncertain in the cases when there is irregular series given. Mode is not always an exact value. Difficult to identify. It is difficult to locate mode in case of bimodal and multimodal distributions. Third, not based on all the observations. It is not a representative value of the series because it ignores extremely small values of the series. This is a bad thing also. It ignores the small values. But if small values are not there, how can you able to measure the big values? How can you able to understand the big values? Not capable of algebraic treatment, difficult to calculate, not suitable for assigning weights. So you can see weights can be measured under arithmetic mean, under median you can see there. But in mode, weights cannot be measured. Now, there are some comparison among mean, median and mode. What are the comparison? Mean and median are certain values, but not the mode. It is not so precise and accurate. It is difficult to calculate mode as compared to mean and median. Then mean is based on all the items in the series, But median and mode are not based on all the items in the series. Algebraic treatment is possible with the help of mean only. Median and mode are not so much useful for algebraic treatment. Mode is not affected by extremely small values. Median is slightly affected by extremely small values. Mean is affected by extreme values to a great extent. Last, median and mode can be computed graphically and not the mean. So these are all the relation between mean, median and mode. Go through the chapter nicely, solve the illustration, try to solve the sums. Okay, here I am ending with this chapter. Thank you everyone, those are present here. Wait for 1 second, let me take the attendance for today. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, thank you.